Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about pointer and arrays in C programming. In this video we are cover what is relationship between pointer and arrays, how can we use pointers in arrays concept, and how can we use array as a pointer. Now we start our discussion. So what is pointer and arrays? So here I am taking one example array. Let us say it is ARR of having size 5 with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is an integer array. So here assume that the base address of ARR is 1000. So 1000 is the base address and each integer requires 2 bytes. So our assumption is ARR having base address means starting address is 1000 and here each integer requires 2 bytes. So occupancy of integer variable is 2 bytes. Total 5 elements will be stored. That means if the starting address is 1000, definitely the next location is 1002 because integer is taking 2 bytes for storage. Then the next location after 1002 is 1004. So like that these elements are stored. See, I am having ARR. So starting address, or we can term it as base address, is 1000 and integer occupies 2 bytes means this 1000 plus 2, the second element location, plus 2 third element location, plus 2 fourth element and fifth element. That is how when you declare array, the memory locations are reserved for the elements. Now you can easily understand how a pointer variable is used to get the array elements. We are using pointers in arrays. Here I am taking an example. So within the example I am taking an array A of size 5 and having elements from 1 to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I am taking one integer variable I. For iterating the loop, it is used as a counter variable, and one pointer variable P, asterisk P, equals to A. So what is A? Normally pointer variable is used to store the address of another variable. So generally if you try to write that statement, you can write int asterisk P equal to ampersand A or ampersand X like that. But here asterisk P equal to A. See here what is A? A is the base address of array. So generally in case of arrays, if you write the array name, that array name refers the base address of that array. So here you can write A as ampersand A of 0 also. So A of 0 means some element, starting element. Address of A of 0 means starting address. So instead of writing ampersand A of 0, I am writing A. That means base address or starting address or 0th element address. You can say anything like this. And for accessing all these 5 elements, I am taking a loop. This loop starts from 0 and I iterate 5 times, 0 to 4. Each time you are printing the array element. Instead of using A, here I am using asterisk P. Now what is the value in P initially? P is having the base address. Let us say that base address is 1000. Value at 1000 means A of 0, 1. Okay, now fine. Now what is P++? We are incrementing the pointer variable. So if it is an integer variable X having some value 10, if you try to write X++, that value is incremented by 1. But in case of pointers, plus plus or minus minus, this is not increment or decrement by 1. This is somehow different. This is called pointer arithmetic. We cannot add single 1 or decrement 1 to the pointer variable. Here p plus plus means pointer variable is incremented by the size of the particular data type value. Which value, which address is stored in pointer, that value. So here is p having integer a address. What is the size of integer? Generally 2 bytes. So p plus plus means what? If p is 1000, p plus plus means 1000 plus size of the integer. 1002 is the next address. Again 1002 is coming. Value at 1002 is printed. Then 1002 is incremented. Means 1004 will come. So like that you are incrementing the address. Based on the address you are getting the value in that address. This is pointer arithmetic concept. Okay. So here initially for our assumption p is having the base address of a 130. P plus plus, that means second iteration 1002, third iteration, fourth, fifth. For each iteration we are getting the value at this address. Asterisk p, value at 1000 means a of 0, value at 1002 a of 2, 1004 a of 3, 1006 a of 4. Like that you are getting the value on the specified addresses. This is how we can use a pointer variable to access array elements. So finally we will get the output as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here instead of writing a of 0, a of I am writing asterisk p and I am applying the pointer arithmetic for incrementing the addresses. This is how we can use the pointer in case of arrays. Next, using array name as pointer in C. That means in the previous example we are taking one pointer variable and we are using that variable instead of array name. But now we are going to learn the concept where we cannot use a pointer but using array name as a pointer. So the generalized form for using pointer with an array is asterisk a plus I is same as a of I. So we know a of I. A of I means array some index value, a of 0 or a of 1, a of 2, like that. But in case of writing a of I, you can write value at a plus I. So we are using array name as a pointer. Okay. So let us say one example. To access a of 3 from list a of I. Let us say I am having a list a of I having 1 to 5 elements in the list. I am trying to print a of 3 value. So generally how we can write the statement printf %d a of 3, then you will get the value present at third index, right? But here the problem is this type of writing a of 3, a of 4, a of 5, this is not understandable by our compiler. So the compiler converts into different forms so that it get the access of that particular element. Then how compiler converts a of 3 is a of 3 is converted as asterisk a plus 3 into size of a. So here a is what? Base address of the array plus 3 index value given 3 into size of a. If a is integer variable, the size is 2 bytes or 4 bytes, depends on the compiler. If it is float, size of float variable is 4 bytes. Like that, based on the type, size will be varied. So a means, let us say 1000 is the base address plus 3 into size of a. So let us assume compiler takes 2 bytes for storing integer value. So 3 into 2, 6. 1000 plus 6 means 1006. So 1006 location value at 1006 we will get. So this is a regular process done by the compiler when you trying to access the array elements. So the compiler cannot understand a of 3, a of 5 or a of I. It internally converts, it takes the base address and get the index value and multiplied with the size, so that it gets the address and through that it gets the value. That is how we are using array name as a pointer. So here 1000 plus 3 into 2 means 1006. Finally we will get the value 4, right? So with this I am ending this session. Thank you.